welcome to day, I think 13. Day 12 was kind of lame. You haven't even seen it yet, and it's lame. We're here at Harrah's. Just tried to go eat a hash go-go, but we were a little late for breakfast. Well, we weren't late, but everybody else had woke up at the same time, so that's a good one. This is the check-in at the Harrah's Casino. There's John and Lori. Well, the backsides of John and Lori over there checking in. They have free nights, so we're checking in. They're giving the room to a friend, and then I'm gonna take it for a Wednesday and Thursday. So yes, I know, free is free. And no, Dusty, $20 ain't $20. Damn it, that's you and your damn $20. You gotta have some standards. But we're about to go get up on the monorail and then go to ASD. So I'll shoot some video. I don't know what you'll see, but just remember, everything here has a price, and everybody that talks to you, they're trying to sell you something. And once you get inside a casino, man, the price is double. So, yeah, there's that. Not very good for a man who is a cheapskate. But I just thought I'd say hello this morning. I know y'all wanted to see this beautiful beard. I know it's not the big beard, but damn it. Friends, subscribers, internet strangers who've never been to Vegas just like me, come along for the ride. Bearded Picker, having a good time. On day, I think it's 13. I'm past the fingers, it's hard to count. Right on, right on. All right, here's the high roller out the window of the future room.
This is yours. Looks like milk.
So y'all see it plain? It's cool plain. Just wait till you see it when the sucker lights up all different colors and changes colors to the night. The Bearded Picker delivers you guys some great videos. Compliments of the Chartier sitting over here. I have to give John credit in the description for room use. All right, that's all you get for now. That's a 45-minute ride for $45. Is that cool? Well, it looks like a big bicycle wheel now that I'm up close. John's scared of heights, but we're dragging him on it anyway. Las Vegas Convention Center. ASD. Trying to keep up. There goes the monorail. It left without me. Not really. I just got off of it. Try not to fall down. Y'all didn't see that. Welcome to ASD. Row after row after row after row after row of stuff. If you can find it in the store, you can find it here. By like 10 different people. Try to keep my finger out of the picture. Oh, there's John's head. Hey, John's head. Like booth. We're in the tool section now. Booth after booth after booth. Oh wait, there's lawnmowers across the way. And tools, Makita. I mean, ridiculous prices. These are all reconditioned. How many different ways can you make a flashlight? Obviously, there's a lot more than I thought about. I guess we're coming into some of the clothes and outdoor stuff because all the knives. As long as you don't get run over by that guy. More knives. And the interesting thing here too is I know y'all wanted to see the great Bearded Picker. What's up? Lots of rebel flag on stuff. So yeah, I gotta go now because we're on the hunt for I don't know what, but just thought I'd show you what ASD looks like. There's Trisonic. All right, we're all done with that. Now on to some serious business. Slot machines and all that kind of stuff. My feet are sticking to the ground like somebody has spilled. Do I like it? Oh, let's go under. Look at YouTube. You're a YouTube star now. Woo! Onto the monorail. The monorail is the only way to go. John wants to moon you guys. I don't think we're ready for that. All right, we're out. Look at the big spender playing dime slots. I just won 20 bucks on the dime slot.
I got it.
Now John got Buffalo. I bet he don't win $20 on it.